Hello everyone, this is Grade 3, Module 5, Lesson 30 homework. The directions state, describe step by step the experience you had of partitioning a length into equal units by simply using a piece of notebook paper and a straight edge. Illustrate the process. So if I'm going to start this, the step by step experience, I had a great experience with this. It was a lot of fun. No, that's not what we're looking for. What we're looking for is describing the process in which you did to create lengths into equal units. So I'm not going to write my step-by-step experience on this paper. What I'm going to do is just give you a quick look at what you did during class today. So don't copy this. You're just kind of watching if you need a refresher from class. I'm going to draw a line here going down, and I'm going to mark this as my 0, and I'm going to mark this as my 1. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to turn this paper so you can see it the way you did during class. And the big piece of this is now I'm going to try to break this into a set of units using just the measurements of these lines that go vertically now. So the first thing I want to do for this one is I'm going to break it into fourths. So I know that there's 16 jumps in between, so I'm going to try to measure this out correctly. So 1, 2, 3, there is 1/4, there's 2/4, there's 3/4, and then my 1 whole, which is 4/4, and then my 0, which is 0/4 back there. So I have my measurement all set, and I'll draw these lines going straight up. So there's my set of lines in there. And you were also given a strip of paper that you had to use, and we ran it kind of diagonally. So I'm going to get out my strip of paper here. So here's our strip of paper. And what I'm going to do is I want to stretch the one corner of it at 0 and put the other one up to 4/4, because right now it's too long. And this doesn't represent the 1 whole, so I want to get it to where it is 1 whole, because I don't want to cut this strip of paper. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to twist this, and work with me here, because this tool hasn't been working great for some reason. Yeah, there we go. So, what we can do now is we know our 0 is right here on the corner, and I know that my 1 whole is right there, right at that corner. So now I can mark this off. And I'm just pretty much running the vertical line straight through it. So there's 1/4, there's 2/4, and there's 3/4. That's a way for me to break apart this strip of paper into units of fourths. Now I could do the same thing with my piece of paper. If I got out another piece of paper and I broke it into fifths, I could then stretch this piece of this strip of blue paper across it, very similar to the way I did, lining up my bottom point here at 0 and my corner point here at the 1 whole, and I can then mark off where these vertical lines go through it. So I can show equivalent units on here without using a ruler. It's just a straight edge for it. So that's kind of reinforcing what you did during class today. And now what you'll do on this homework paper is write your step-by-step of how you did that. So I hope this was a good refresher. Thanks for working with me on this new tool here, and thanks for watching.